Alright gang, Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and a couple videos ago I asked you guys to comment down below what you would like to see me do reviews of. And so I got a few suggestions, so I went and got a few tractors. So let's take a look at those tractors that I'll be doing reviews of very shortly for you guys. Alright, let's just start with the big one, I guess, if you will, from a size standpoint anyway. So this is the 1/64 scale Haigie STS 12. This is the 75th anniversary of Haigie. You see, we've got the chrome wheels, chrome tank. It's got all the special decaling and all that sort of thing on there. I will open this up. We'll take a look at it in another video later on, maybe this week, maybe next week, we'll see. And we'll just kind of see what we think of the STS 12 Haigie sprayer. This is the Prestige collection, so I kind of have some fairly high expectations for it. The box is pretty sweet on it too. So anyway, that will be certainly one of them coming up. Then we've got the 4450 and planter set. So this has been out for a little while, but I did not actually get this set, as I already have the SpecCast version of this planter, and I have the Prestige, or I'm sorry, the Authentics tractor, the 4450. So, but someone asked if I would do a review of the tractor out of the set, and you know what? I think we might as well do a review of the planter as well. I think I'll do them separately though, because obviously I've got the SpecCast planter, and then you know, you've got the Deere, or the Ertl version here. So I think it's worth taking a peek at those and just seeing what's what and how it looks and all of that sort of thing. As long as not much has changed on the 4450, and I don't think anything has changed on that, this is an excellent tractor. So I'm expecting kind of high marks on that. And the planter, quite frankly, looks really good as well. So we'll see. Kind of your standard Ertl box from this day and age as far as that goes. So no, nothing super fancy there box wise, but anyway, speaking of super fancy, we got the John Deere 8RX 410. This is the Farm Show edition. The Salon Agricole 2023. I assume that's for, you know, Argentina. And then we've got, of course, the Farm Show for us folks up here in North America. So kind of interested just to look this over. We know that Ertl does a nice job on these 8RX tractors, so we'll just kind of take a peek at this guy and see what he's all about as well. So that's kind of what I got upcoming real soon. Of course, I've got other videos as well in the works. I'm working on some custom videos, but I have to finish the custom projects before I can put the videos together and upload them and show you. So there is that. Anyway, I guess I'll do it for this one. Kind of a short video, but hope you guys get the point. Just kind of another little fun unboxing, and we'll start taking a look at these here in the next few days. So, all right, guys, have yourselves an awesome day. Please do the like, share, subscribe thing, and as always, guys, happy tractor hunting.